Hi Frigo cheese fans, Chef Emily Ellyn here. In the mood for Italian tonight? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm gonna walk you through each delicious step of our ricotta gnocchi with vegetables in pesto. Take a screenshot and use as your grocery list. Start by clearing off a nice work area and measure out all your gnocchi ingredients, but be sure to have a small bowl of flour on the side for working the dough. Next, line 2 baking sheets with parchment and set aside. Combine my favorite Frigo whole milk ricotta cheese with Frigo grated Parmesan cheese and eggs in a large bowl. Add about 1 cup flour and mix with a fork until dough forms. Add more flour gradually and really dig in by mixing with your hands until you've got very sticky dough. Now scoop up a spoonful of dough, roll into a ball, and boil to see if it holds its shape. If it's not holding shape, stir in an additional 1/4 cup of flour and retest. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces and coat each with a small amount of plain flour. Work the first piece into a rope about a 1/2 inch in diameter, and then cut the roll evenly into 1-inch pieces. Turn a floured fork, tines down on your work surface, roll a 1-inch piece of gnocchi dough down the fork to create sauce gripping ridges around it. Place on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper, and continue with the remaining dough. Heat a large stock pot of salted water until boiling as we start making the pesto. In a food processor or a high-powered blender, add basil, parsley, peas, garlic, pine nuts, walnuts, black pepper, lemon juice and zest, and my favorite Frigo shredded Parmesan cheese. Then mix to combine. While the machine is running, stream in the olive oil. Continue blending, scraping down sides as needed until creamy and fully combined. If it has trouble blending, add a bit more olive oil. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Add lemon juice and zest for brightness, Frigo Parmesan cheese for saltiness, and peas for sweetness. Now, time for the magic. In a large sauté pan, heat 2 tablespoons olive oil and sauté onions and sun-dried tomatoes on medium-high heat until onions are translucent, about 3 minutes. Scrape the pesto into the onion mixture and turn heat to low. Allow sauce to slowly heat while gnocchi cooks. Cook the gnocchi in a big pot of boiling water in batches of about 30 each. Gnocchi will float to the surface in about 3 to 5 minutes. After it floats, boil 1 additional minute. Remove from heat with strainer. Finish by tossing the boiled gnocchi in the pesto and serve with additional Frigo shredded Parmesan cheese, chopped walnuts, and fresh pea shoots. Delicioso! Now time to pair with the Pinot Noir. Hope you had as much fun as I did. See you next time for more culinary creations made even more delicious with Frigo cheese. For more great recipes, head to frigocheese.com.